Hello guys, good morning. So, dito na naman tayo. Nagre-review sa bagong unit na dumating. So, this brand is from TianGong ARP9 version 2. It has metal gears na po guys. And checking the unit itself. So, as per checking po guys, talagang napagaganda po ito na the unit. So, fast forward, that's the flash hider. And then the sights, attachable and detachable po. And then, that's the stock mag. It can hold up to 30 to 35 gel balls. I recommend po na bibili po kayo ng separate ng drum bag for para marami po yung malagay na bala. So, as per holding the unit guys, pabigat po siya. So, sa tingin ko ito guys, napakaganda ito na gel blasters for mid to high-end na gel blaster. Kasi upgradable na siya. As per checking the unit, it has blowback also. And then, ito po guys, sinicheck ko po. Then, attachable na po siya and detachable. Right now, it has thread also guys for the flash hider. You can also put a tracer. Kasi parang po siyang totoong barel. So, ito po guys. Nag-screw po ako for the sights. And ito po. Grabe guys, napaganda talaga to. Wala akong masabi. So that's the correct way how to put the battery po guys. So ganyan lang po siya. So adjustable naman po siya. Depende po sa gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng mahaba. Tapos I did not mention po, it has prime mag. Prime mag means automatic na po siya. Nagre-reload po. Para hindi na kayo magpa-firing dire-diretso. So, ito po guys. That's the switch po. Ito po yung trigger. Ito po yung sinashow ko po. Nagbo-blowback siya. So, ito po is single. Kanina. And then, I'm using the automatic. Yun. Napakaangas guys. So, lagyan ko na ng bala. Maya-maya is maririnig niyo yung tunog ng prime mag. Very convenient siya guys. Yun. That's the correct way on how to put the gel balls po inside the magazine. So, ito po. Okay. Prime mag. Alright. So, tara. Test fire tayo. Single. Then automatic. Yung
Napakaangas. Ako guys, suggest ko to. Kaya bilhin nyo na. At maraming salamat po. God bless. Paalam. Goodbye.